Find or read reviews that people are talking about. BIFTU CarPlay Screen Mirroring Adapter for Apple iPhone. Plug and Play Car Play Display Dongle for cars with Factory Wired CarPlay compatible with iPhone iOS 11 Plus. Navigate, watch movies, live TV in 1080p HD. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Car Screen Mirroring Adapter for seamless streaming. This CarPlay adapter supports casting from an iPhone to a car, and allows you to effortlessly mirror all apps, navigation, movies, photos, and music to your Apple CarPlay. With this functionality, you can enjoy a wide range of content, including videos, slideshows, and social media directly on your car's display. Please note, don't support some subscribed paid apps with HDCP video copyright protection like Amazon Prime Video and Hulu. Watching video in the car. Our CarPlay adapter will offer you an unparalleled driving experience for supporting streaming videos from your phone onto your car's screen. You can enjoy videos and social media with high-definition visuals and surround sound effects from various applications such as YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, Facebook, and more. To upgrade your driving experience, the CarPlay Display Dongle will be your best driving companion whether you're on a long road trip or a daily commute. Plug and play. So easy to connect your phone to Apple CarPlay. No apps, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi required. Just plug the CarPlay dongle into car's USB port, and connect your iPhone to the adapter using a lightning cable. Waiting for about 5 to 10 seconds, your car's display will seamlessly mirror your iPhone's screen. Tips: touch input on the car's display is not supported. Seamless connection. This wired CarPlay adapter provides a stable and reliable connection. Compared to wireless CarPlay adapter, it offers enhanced connectivity performance. Whether in navigation, music playback, or TV viewing, it ensures a smooth experience without any delays, interruptions, or buffering issues. Wide compatibility. Fit for most cars equipped with Factory Wired CarPlay. Compatible with iPhone 5 and above with iOS 10 or higher, and comes with a USB-C adapter for CarPlay with USB-A port USB-C interface. Please confirm that your car has built-in wired Apple CarPlay before purchasing. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.